Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com as well as TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. The manhunt has intensified for a group of heavily armed men linked to a series of robberies and shootings in St. Elizabeth. One of the suspects was fatally shot during a gun battle between the police and members of a criminal network on Friday in Grosmont district. 2 persons, including a female, were detained and a number of stolen items recovered. Head of the St. Elizabeth Police Division, Deputy Superintendent Coleridge Minter, says the cops returned to the area this morning and seized another illegal gun.
This morning, an intelligence-driven operation was conducted in the Grosmont community, in which one man was fatally shot on Friday. During the operation, a Honda Fit motor car, which was parked in the area of operation, was searched and a Glock 17 pistol recovered. We are also continuing our search for the 2 men who fired at the police on Friday. These men are armed and dangerous, and we're appealing to members of the public not to harbor them. We're also appealing to the men to surrender to the police, and they can do so with their attorney. But if not, they can rest assured that myself and my team will not stop until they are caught.
Our news center was informed that the men have been linked to a number of serious crimes in St. Elizabeth, including the fatal shooting of a farmer in Goshen on February 25. They are also linked to the abduction of a businessman who was robbed of more than $6 million in the Santa Cruz area. Several bars have been attacked by the hoodlums and a number of poker boxes stolen over the past few weeks.